Feel the what?
Feel the pulse. Okay. Faster, bolder, higher. Be strong longer. Faster, bolder, higher. Be strong longer. Have no fear.
Woo! Sing it.
Have no fear. When you look at me, what do you see? You probably see ugly, you probably see chubby, you probably see a lonely branch hanging on that poplar tree. Populous Negro. You probably see something I'm not trying to be, not trying to rewind back to black history. You probably see a trapped bird trying to be set free like that lotus out of a swamp ice spring. Or perhaps you don't see my wings. But the problem is that I'm trying and I'm crying because I can't see. I can't believe and I can't achieve. As I get older, I shouldn't be getting smolder. I should be getting faster, bolder, higher, stronger, and closer. But I can't. I can't and I want to. I can't and I want you. I want you to see that there is something more to me. Here I am, as delicate as I can be. And my fields are roses out of the concrete. I want you to set me free like Maya Angelou did with her caged bird. A bird's tune can never be heard if you pluck his feathers. A caged bird can never be heard if you control the weather. Stop taking advantage of me. Stop taking us. TAKING. Stop torturing me. Stop torturing me. Stop planting your hopes and your dreams in me. You're giving me way too much responsibility. I'm just 14 going on 15. Can't you see? Can't you see what you've done to me? I'm only 14, but I'm writing like I'm 23.
You tell them. You tell them.
My mind is older than me. Like my mind is growner than me. Like my mind took my sight from me. You turned me into an old soul. An old soul cannot be phoenix, cannot rise from the ashes. And now I'm blind. My mind is my eyes, and now I can't see. Now I can't preach, and now I can barely speak. Look what you've done to this legendary bird, reduced to its eggshells, whose chirps are fractured and will never be heard. Now excuse me while my mind programs me to sing, and please, do not disturb. Slower, shyer, lower. Weaker, shorter, slower, shyer, lower, weaker, shorter. I have fear.
Yes.
Sing, girl. I have fear. Thank you.
Woo! You better sing, yo. You better sing, yo.